My fellow citizens, in just a few weeks, Kamala Harris will be in office. We won't allow this woman and her rigged campaign to enter the office of president. This election was rigged just like in 2020. I ask all of you to march to Washington, D.C., how we did on January 6, 2021. We will show the fury of the Republican Party. We will show them that we are determined to march the floors of the Capitol once again to reclaim my office that I had rightfully been elected for. I demand that Congress to do the right thing, remove Kamala Harris from the office. All of my supporters will march to the Capitol building to make their voices heard to Congress and everyone around the world. The elections are rigged by Congress in fear of Congress should be in fear of Kamala Harris. That woman wants to start World War III and see this beautiful nation, the United States of America, to crumble into a tyrannical government ran by Kamala Harris herself. I encourage all of my supporters to not only march to the Capitol building, but the White House as well. January 1st, 2025. This day will go down as one step closer to making America great again. Again, January 1st, 2025. March the Capitol, the White House.
Call in the National Guard, deploy them in front of the White House and the Capitol.
It appears that the first of Trump's supporters have began marching towards the U.S. Capitol. Yesterday, President Biden stated that the National Guard still hasn't arrived due to delays. Officials said that this Capitol attack may be more horrific than back in 2021. Everyone at home, our reporters are at the Capitol. Listen to the roars of the crowds and different POVs.
We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency alert system. This emergency alert system is to the whole nation. As Congress was certifying the Electoral College votes from the 2024 presidential election, a large mob of Trump supporters have begun breaching the Capitol in order to stop the certification process. Members of Congress have evacuated the Capitol to an undisclosed location. The President of the United States, Joe Biden, has declared martial law towards the entire U.S. Joe Biden has also called in more National Guard troops and the military to block all highways going to D.C. and control the chaos in the Capitol. All people in the District of Columbia and the states not participating in the breaching of the Capitol are ordered to stay at home. The people who aren't participating in the District of Columbia are ordered to remain indoors. Do not go outside if you see any military troops, as you may be seen as a rioter. Rioters have been seen breaking into apartments, so be aware. If someone is trying to break into your apartment, you are allowed to protect your house and the property you own. People of D.C. and the states, it is critical that you follow all instructions by the federal and state governments.
I, Kamala Davis Harris, do solemnly swear
that you will faithfully execute
that I will faithfully execute
the office of President of the United States
the office of President of the United States
and will to the best of my ability preserve, protect, and defend
the
Constitution of the United States. So help you God.
So help me, God.